Here. Hey everybody, this is Jeffrey Jansen. Today is Monday, October 17th. This is Monday Morning Motivation. Anyway, I got my earpiece in. I don't think I need that in right now. Anyway, today, what we do on Mondays, we get motivated. Today is a great day to set your goals, to get your life going to where you want to get it started. Everybody asks, why do I do these motivational videos? Well, let's put it this way. It's Monday. I need to remind you that you've got the entire week to make a difference in your life and somebody else's life. Whether it's going to work and doing 100%, so many people get down and out that they just give up, or they're just like, oh, I'm going to go into work, or they're hurting. Monday should be a great day to get into work with a smile on your face. Look, it's not about your coworkers. It's not about your boss or male. It's about doing the best that you can do. It's about putting forth the work effort that you need to put forth in order to make yourself better. How are you bettering yourself today? How are you bettering yourself tomorrow? What are you doing in your kids' lives? Okay? The whole idea is to make your life better. Be a better hairdresser. Be a better factory worker, Make a new design, Be a better artist. I know so many tattoo artists. I know so many truck drivers. I know so many people that are out there in the everyday world that are trying to get by, and they don't realize how great they really are, how special they are. Oops. So today, you need to do the best you can do. You need to be the best person you can be. And like I said, get out there, get moving, set your goals high, get your blood flowing, okay? If you're going to go run a block, run 2 blocks. If you're going to go run a mile, run 2 miles, all right? Whatever it is you're doing, do the best you can at it. Know that you're important. Know that you matter. Go out there and be a better person to your friends. Be kind to people. Be great to people. Do whatever it takes to make sure that you're a better person today than where you were yesterday, all right? If you're out there in business, go sell another plan. If you're insurance, go sell another insurance plan. Always be honest with people. Always be upfront with people. Do your best. If you hear negative people, get around positive people. If your friends are all negative, get around positive. But whatever it is, this is Monday. Today's the first day of the rest of your life. Today's the day you need to go out there and be more than who you were yesterday. Be better for your kids. Be better for your community. Just be great. Just know that you matter. You're important. Hey, and look, if you want somebody to motivate you, give me a call. I'll motivate you. I'll uplift you. God bless each one of you guys. I'll talk to you all soon. I just wanted to let you know you're all great. Bye.